Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. What if I told you that losing a tooth might no longer be permanent? Right now, scientists in South Korea have developed something that sounds completely impossible: a dissolvable patch, smaller than a postage stamp, that you place inside your mouth, and your tooth grows back. No drill, no implant, no surgery, just a patch. Now, before you think this is just another viral health hoax floating around the internet, stick with me, because the science behind this is real. The company behind it is real. And in this video, I am going to break down exactly how it works, what the media got wrong, what is actually happening in clinical trials right now, and what is coming next in the world of tooth regeneration. Late in 2025, a story exploded across X, TikTok, and YouTube. Posts racked up hundreds of thousands of views within days. The claimed South Korean biotech company had created a patch that could literally regrow human teeth. People lost their minds, and honestly, understandable. Because here's the context that makes this such a massive deal. Right now, over 2 billion people worldwide suffer from some form of tooth decay or tooth loss. Dental implants, the current gold standard solution, cost anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 per tooth. Dentures are uncomfortable. Root canals are expensive and painful. And once your adult tooth is gone, conventional medicine has always told us the same thing: it is gone forever. So, when a headline says South Korean patch regrows your teeth, people click, people share, people desperately want it to be true. But here is where the story gets interesting, because the truth is actually more fascinating than the headlines. Let's talk about the actual science, because this is not magic. This is cutting-edge biology, and once you understand it, it becomes even more impressive. The patch was developed by a South Korean biotech company, and it works using something called bioactive molecules, specifically engineered proteins and peptides that are embedded into a tiny biodegradable film. Think of it like a slow-release medicine patch, except instead of painkillers, it is releasing signals directly into your dental tissue. Now here's the key question. What are those signals telling your body to do? Inside every one of your teeth, sitting quietly in the soft inner core, called the dental pulp, are dormant stem cells. These are essentially sleeping repair crews. Under normal circumstances, they do not do much after your adult teeth come in. But these bioactive molecules, specifically a class of proteins, similar to what researchers call UZAG-1 inhibitors, essentially wake those stem cells up. They send a biological message that says, hey, it is time to build, and those activated stem cells begin producing dentin. The hard mineral layer that makes up the bulk of your tooth structure. The patch dissolves naturally in the mouth over time. No removal needed, no side effects in early trials. And the process of dentin regeneration begins within weeks. Now, to be very precise here, what this patch primarily regenerates in current trials are dentin, not a full tooth crown from scratch. This means it is most powerful in cases of deep decay where the inner tooth structure has been compromised, cracked teeth where dentin has been exposed, early-stage tooth loss where some root structure remains. This is not yet a patch that regrows a completely missing tooth from the gum line up. And that distinction, that is where a lot of the viral coverage got it wrong. But here is the thing. Regrowing dentin is groundbreaking, because dentin is what dentists currently replace with fillings, crowns, and root canal procedures. If your body can rebuild that naturally, the implications are enormous. Okay, let's call out the nonsense, because some of the coverage around this story was, let's say, creatively optimistic. Lie number 1, you can regrow a full missing tooth with this patch. False, as I just explained. Current results focus on dentin regeneration within an existing tooth structure, regrowing a completely extracted tooth root crown, and all is a separate challenge that no patch currently solves. Anyone telling you otherwise is either confused or clickbaiting you. Lie number 2, it is already available. Just order it online. Absolutely not. As of right now, this technology is still in the clinical trial phase. It has not been approved by the FDA, the European Medicines Agency, or most other regulatory bodies. If you see someone selling a tooth regeneration patch online right now, that is a scam. Full stop. Lie number 3, dentists are hiding this from you. Look, I understand why conspiracy content gets views, but no, dentists are not hiding tooth regeneration technology in a vault somewhere. Clinical trials take years. Regulatory approval takes years. The researchers behind this are openly publishing their work. Nobody is hiding anything. The truth is simply this: the science is real, the progress is exciting, and it takes time. And that's actually okay, because the timeline is closer than most people realize. Here's the part that should genuinely excite you, because South Korea is not alone in this race. Right now, there are at least 4 major tooth regeneration breakthroughs happening simultaneously around the world. Number 1, South Korea's bioactive patch, which we just covered. Clinical trials ongoing, projected cost, if approved, around $300 per tooth. Compare that to a $4,000 implant. That's a revolution. Number 2, Japan's tooth regrowth, DRUG, Professor Katsu Takahashi at Kyoto University Hospital in Japan has been developing an injectable drug that targets a gene called USAG1, which naturally suppresses tooth growth in adults. By blocking that gene, the drug essentially unlocks your mouth's hidden ability to grow a third set of teeth. Professor Takahashi's team began clinical trials in 2024, and they are targeting a potential release for patients around 2030. Let me say that again: a drug that gives you a third set of teeth. Your body already has the blueprint. This drug just turns the key. Number 3, the UK's tideglusib discovery. Researchers at King's College London discovered that a drug originally developed for Alzheimer's disease called tideglusib has a remarkable side effect. It activates stem cells in dental pulp to produce new dentin. Essentially, the same mechanism as the Korean patch, but in pill or gel form. Early results in human trials were promising. Number 4, enamel regeneration gel from China and the US. Separate research teams in Shanghai and at the University of Washington have developed protein-based gels that can rebuild tooth enamel, the outer protective layer of your tooth, within weeks. This is huge because enamel has zero ability to repair itself naturally. It is not living tissue. Until now, once enamel was gone, it was gone. Think about what this means when you put all 4 of these together. Within the next 5 to 10 years, we could be looking at a world where cavities are treated with a gel instead of a drill. Cracked teeth are patched with a dissolving strip. Missing teeth are regrown with an injection. And full tooth regeneration from stem cells is a clinical reality. The era of the dental drill may genuinely be coming to an end. So, what does all of this mean for you? Sitting here watching this today? Here is my honest advice. First, do not panic about your dental health. If you have a cavity, a crack, or missing teeth right now, you still need to see your dentist. These technologies are coming, but they are not here yet for the average person. Do not delay treatment waiting for a miracle patch. Second, protect what you have. The best tooth regeneration technology in the world today is still prevention. Brush twice a day, floss, cut back on sugar. Seriously. Because even when these patches become available, maintaining healthy teeth will always be easier than regrowing damaged ones. Third, stay informed, not gullible. When you see viral headlines about miraculous cures, ask 3 questions. Has this been peer-reviewed? Is it in human trials? Has it been approved by a regulatory authority? If the answer to all 3 is no, treat it as a promising story, not a medical fact. And fourth, and this one's important, watch this space closely. Because of all the medical breakthroughs happening in the world right now, tooth regeneration is one of the closest to actually reaching patients. We are not talking science fiction. We are talking 5 to 10 years, possibly less. Here at Dental Miracle, we are going to keep covering every development in this space. The science, the trials, the timelines, and the truth. So you are always the first to know. All right, let's do a quick recap of everything we covered today. South Korea has developed a bioactive dissolvable patch that stimulates stem cells in dental pulp to regenerate dentin. It is real, it is in trials, but it does not yet regrow fully missing teeth from scratch, despite what viral posts claimed. Japan is working on a drug to unlock your body's ability to grow a third set of teeth. The UK discovered an Alzheimer's drug accidentally regrows tooth tissue. and enamel regeneration gels are in development worldwide. We are on the edge of a dental revolution, and it is closer than most people think. If you learned something new today, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who care about their health. Subscribe to Dental Miracle so you never miss a breakthrough. I post new videos every week covering the science your dentist has not caught up with yet. And drop a comment below. Would you use a tooth regeneration patch instead of getting a dental implant? I read every single comment. I will see you in the next one. Take care of those teeth. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.